Okay, welcome to the Level 10B instructional video. Here we're going to take a look at some two-digit addition and subtraction problems. Let's fire up the quiz module and see what this might look like. So as you can see, we're going to have addition and subtraction of 4 numbers, and a couple of them will be two-digit numbers. You can download the attached PDF to follow along with the examples we'll go through. So let's go ahead and take a look at example number 1. And here we're going to start off by placing 27 on our soroban. And next we need to add 64. Okay. So to add 64, well, the 6 is easy enough. We just add 6. And then to add 4 here, we need to do that in the form of our 10 pair by adding 1 to the next rod left and subtracting 4's 10 pair, which is 6, which gives us a interim sum of 91. Okay. Now we need to add 5. All right, well, that's simple enough. Just bring down the heavenly bead 5 for a sum of 95. And next we're going to add 8. Okay, well, to add 8, well, to do that, that looks like we're going to have to reach way over here to the third rod, add 1, and then subtract 1's 10 pair 9. And then here, way back on our target rod, we will subtract 8's 10 pair, which is 2, in the form of a 5 pair by adding 3 and subtracting 5 for an interim sum of 104. Or sorry, final answer of 104. So that last move was pretty interesting, dragonfly move. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at a second example. Here we're going to start off with 54. Okay, and then next we will add 7. All right, to add 7, we add 1 to the next rod left, and then we need to subtract 7's 10 pair 3 from the target rod for an interim sum of 61. All right. Next we're going to add 51. So to add 5 to the second rod, we add 1 to the next rod left, subtract 5's 10 pair 5, and then add 1. That's straightforward, just add 1. We have an interim sum of 112. All right. Next we're going to finally just add 2. Well, that's just straightforward for our final answer of 114. So hopefully these are looking pretty good for you and are relatively easy to follow along. So let's go ahead and do a third and final example. So here we'll start off with 50, and then we're going to subtract 39. Okay. So to subtract a 3 here, we will do that in the form of a 5 pair by adding 2 and subtracting 5. And then we need to subtract 9. Well, got to take 1 from the next rod left and add 9's 10 pair 1. And that gives us this interim sum of 11. Okay, next we're going to add 2. Well, that's trivial. Just add 2 earthly beads, interim sum of 13. And then finally, we're going to subtract 6. Okay, well, we take 1 from the next rod left, and we need to add 6's 10 pair 4 in the form of a 5 pair by adding 5 and subtracting 1 for a final answer of 7. So there you have Level 10B, double-digit addition and subtraction problems. And if anything went a little bit fast, please feel free to go back and review the video. But good luck with your practicing.